how to sell vintage vinyl records and arts on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy from, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products. For example, this one. So in Etsy, we call these pages a shop page. It's where you have the photos of the product, the video, the description, the price, and the options if there are any, and also you have the item details. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this, how to add your item details, how to enter the description, and how to set the shipping and return policies that you want. So first, let's close this page and let's go up. Go to your top right, click on the Shop Manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. So we start with the shop preferences. Then you choose the name of your shop. Then you stock your shop. You choose how you'll get paid. You set up the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here we choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for your shop. So here, let's change the name. Let's remove the spaces between words. Then, at the same time, we try to shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. So here we have vintage vinyl records and art. So let's remove vintage, which is the longer word in here. So here the name is already taken, so you can choose from these options, or you can just add a number, then the name will be available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. So here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the photos and details about the product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill in this step. So here, the first one is the photos. You will need to upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of the product. Then we have the listing details. Here we will need to fill all of these red fields. And the same thing with the shipping as well. You will need to turn all of these red fields white by choosing the right information. So let's start from the first step. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. You enter a title for your product. Then you have these three questions to go through. So the first one is who made it. You have three options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have three categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And for the category, let's choose a category in here. And the first one. Then you have some additional details to fill, like the size of the product, the genre, if it's alternative, blues, classic rock, classical, comedy, folk, or anything. Then we have the record speed. You choose from these three options. The record length, if it's a single or an album, the holiday, and we have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or if you want to go with the manual, which is free. So I'm going to choose the manual. Then here we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners, if you want to choose any in here. Sorry, if you want to add any. Then we have description, tags, and materials, which are optional, so I'm just going to skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here I'm going to enter this price, for example. Then we have the shipping. So here make sure to fill all of these red fields, the origin postal code, the processing time, standard shipping, everywhere else. Then you end with the returns and exchanges policy, if you want to choose the 30 days policy, or if you want to choose another one by creating your own policy in here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.